G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania's 3D TV. I'm your host KC, and in today's video it's an unboxing and a mail call from Big Keg in Queensland. Been a while, haven't made a video for a while, so we'll see how I go. And I'd like to say a big warm welcome to all of our new subscribers and our old faithful subscribers for sticking with us and hanging there with us, because there's been hardly any content at all, but we've had a lot going on, and I've been talking to Big Keg by email, and he understands. So this is extremely late, so we do apologise for that. But what we'll do is we'll get organised and we'll get into it and get it open, and we've got a few other little things at the end of the video that I'll show you in up and coming episodes. Alright, let's get this open. Now we're both checking this out together because I haven't seen what's in here yet either. So we'll get the little turntable going out here so we can see what's going in the meantime while we've got something going. Just push that box back a bit more. Alright, oh cool. He knows I've been chasing that for ages. Let's see if you can see it there, alright. Something to pop up underneath it. And yeah, like, we struggled to find stuff in Tasmania, basically because we don't live near the shops is one of the reasons. And how cool is that? I've been after that there for that, trying to find that was like trying to find rocket fuel. No chance at all. That's so cool. Wow, thank you, my old man. Wow, there we go. Bad bagger, Harley Davidson, very cool. I've got a Harley, so CC got one. We haven't ridden them for a long time. We're going to be selling CC's bike sometime this year, so stay tuned for that video. Put that there, you might be able to see it a bit better than the other one there. Pop that around there. And Holden Gemini, we'll call them an Opel Cadet in a lot of countries, and also Vauxhall, I'm pretty sure, but in Australia that's a Holden Gemini, which is cool. I'll be able to do a bit of fun with that build there as well. And oh, holy smokes. Wow, we'll turn this off because we get it out of the road. Are you kidding me? You sent us this? I'm not up to speed on this Oz wheel stuff, but that is a really cool kit. I don't even have that at all. I only have the first original twin pack that came out with the first series, and I did manage after a while to get all of the other ones from the first series, the two groups, the panel vans, the sedans. The second series come out and they were all gone before we knew it, and they didn't get any twin packs, and we don't even have any twin packs that Big Keg showed you on his channel. They're not here, apparently they're not going to be until late 24. Well, we're nearly at the end of 24, or we won't see them until 25. I tried to get both sets from Autobarn and spoke to the guys there, and they said they were going to call me, and they did, but they called me and said that there's a limit, 6 per customer, and they're not allowed to hold any of them at all whatsoever for anybody. So we're 110 kilometre round trip, so by the time we got to town, well, you can guess what happened. It was all over. Red Rover. Wow. Thank you so much, Big Keg. Mate, that's unbelievable. I didn't expect you to send me these sorts of things down here, because these Oz wheels are not cheap by all means. They're certainly not like $2 Hot Wheels, I'll say it like that. They are rather expensive. So I'll just push that back there. So yeah, wow, thank you so much. That is so cool. Can't believe it. I'll have to get into those next year. I won't be opening that twin pack as well, of course, so I'll be keeping that. So yeah, and I hope everyone's doing all right too, because I haven't been in the comments and all of that sort of stuff there, but I haven't had much time to do a lot of stuff. And here's the front nose panel of the Holden Commodore R8, the kit that we've got, that we've printed up, and we're just finalising a few other things off. We also have the drift cart available now as well. We'll put a picture up on the screen of the drift cart that we've got, and also the beer drift trike, not cart, and we've got the beer cart with the trailer there on the website there. So I've put a couple of pictures up on the screen there so you can see what I mean there. And they're in 1/18 and 1/24 scale and 1/25 scale. The R8 Commodore is in HSV R8 Clubsport is in 1/24 scale first off. So we've been having a bit of fun working through that there, and we've got a couple of those videos that we'll have coming out of those there. And the drift trike, we'll do a build and a display of that there, so they're up on the screen. And also don't forget Big Keg, thank you again very much for sending this out to us. It was mighty kind of you, unbelievable. Yeah, I've been trying to find that the Gemini's crashed already. Been trying to find that Fast and Furious 1950 Chevy Fleetline in the workshop sort of thing there. So that's cool to have that. I won't bust that one open, but the Gemini will definitely get opened, and I'll keep the Harley bagger and a protector card. So there we have it. What a cool mail call was that, and how kind and generous was that of him to send us those sorts of things there. So wow, modelling community and the diecast communities are totally different two groups. On YouTube, they would have to be about the best groups to be involved, I think, as far as I'm concerned, my opinion. Everyone else has their own, but some agree and some don't, but that's how I feel about them. So once again, thanks again, Big Keg, up on the screen, and the link in the description down below to his channel, and we'll put a link in there. And like I was saying there, I'll show you the beer cart and also the drift trike and a few other exciting things we've been working on. Alrighty, good to catch up with you all. I hope you are all doing okay, and we'll look forward to catching up on our next couple of videos we got coming out. So until then, take care, look after yourselves, and we'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now.